Yesterday, I wanted to push back my lettering gig to Tuesday. Cold weather, insane winds, 45 miles per hour. I knew the Lord wanted me to go on Monday instead.
Gust of wind. We just turned the corner and I can't breathe. Is that my bus? Oh my goodness. Alright, let's run just in case. Oh, okay, we got the light. Yeah.
Now, let's take a moment while I catch my breath. Alright, we're back. Welcome to New York City, where you learn to run. And let me tell you, I'm glad I listened to the Holy Spirit. Turns out, it was President's Day, and that means everyone is off. Well, not everyone, but most people were off. Normally, the express bus takes an hour to get to the cafe, but today, 30 minutes. Got there at 9 a.m. Started lettering, worship music on, and every time, I mean every time a dog walks in, my phone comes out. Alright, here are some lettering clips for ya. Alright folks, it's break time. You know what that means. Time for one of my go-to drinks. Vanilla matcha. Plain matcha? Not my thing. Maybe one day, but today ain't that day. And just like that, back to lettering. Boom. Done. Usually, this menu takes me 2 days. But guess what? I'm becoming a responsible adult. Shocking. I know. Because I ended up showing up early and a shorter menu to tackle, this worked out real nice to get it done in 1 day. Like always, I pray over my work. I mean, if someone's gonna stare at this menu, might as well have them catch a glimpse of Jesus too, right? I don't believe in coincidences. If I got this gig, I was meant to be here. And hey, I hope there's more where that came from. I'm gonna ask you guys one thing, is to pray for me. I see you guys next week. Love you, my hungry homies.